Beautiful flowers they brought from a land that they loved. And the women were Hui. They also brought the horses over, put them on a ship, and sailed to the islands. They had been commissioned by the king. And the women were so beautiful, dancing in the Here's our story about the beautiful flowers that were brought here from a land that these people so loved. They also brought guitars for all of us to enjoy. Ay, ay, ay. Let us dance to the music of the heart. Let's do all kinds of things. Late at night under the stars. Oh my love, let us dance to the music of the Wāhine.